In this quick guide, I'll show you how to embed a Miro board directly into a Confluence page so you can collaborate visually without leaving your workspace. Start by opening your browser and logging into Confluence. Once you're inside your workspace, go to the page where you want to place the Miro board and click the Edit option. On the page, type the word Miro and press Enter. This usually brings up the board picker, which lets you choose the specific board you want to embed. If the Miro option doesn't appear, you may need to install the Miro integration from the Atlassian marketplace. You can also find Miro by opening the app toolbar or the Insert menu. Once the picker appears, choose the board you want to display. After selecting it, set the access level you prefer. You can allow viewing, commenting, or both. If the board is public, anyone can see or comment on it, even without a Miro account, which is helpful for teammates who only need to review your work. When the board appears on your page, you can resize it to fit your layout. Adjust the frame until the content sits neatly on your Confluence page and feels easy to navigate. And that's it. Your Miro board is now fully embedded inside Confluence, ready for sharing, collaboration, and project planning all in one place.